I'm water. I'm most of this planet. I shaped it. Every stream, every cloud, and every raindrop. It all comes back to me. One way or another. Every living thing here needs me. I am the source. I am what they grown out of. Humans, they're no difference. I don't owe them a thing. I give and take, but I can always take back. That's just the way it's always been. It's not their planet anyway. Never was, never will be. But humans, they take more than their share. They poison me and then they expect me to feed them. Well, it doesn't work that way. If humans want to exist in nature with me, off of me, I suggest them listen close. I am only going to say this once. If nature isn't kept healthy, humans won't survive. Simple as that. Me, I could give a damn. With or without humans, I am the ocean. I covered this entire planet once, and I can always cover it again. That's all I have to say.